afternoon. How y'all doing? Well, tonight I'm cooking because Mr. Childers is out entertaining grandchildren. And it's a special day because it's Miss Lily's 12th birthday. And I'm fixing her up some pork loin. So let's get started. I went to Winn-Dixie and they had their pork loin on sale. So I bought two and I cut one of them up for pork chops. And with the little leftover pieces, I sauteed it up for Miss Lily in the saucepan for her birthday dinner. We are going to have chicken in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. And you put the chicken in first. So I will be doing that here in just a second. Hold your tater. Chicken in the pot. And I don't know if you can see it, but I have a little rack in the bottom because I don't like my chicken sitting right down on there. But I put salt, pepper, and turmeric on it. That stuff is really good for you. I even put that in my smoothies. I'm going to add a cup of water and we're going to set it on the chicken meat setting, which automatically goes to 15 minutes, but I'm going to adjust it to 30 minutes because it is frozen. And then I am going to cut up some carrots and some celery and some onion and put it in there, and we're going to have asparagus as our side dish. Sounds good to me. We're going to set the timer for the chicken and I'm going to adjust it to 30. It should start any minute. There we go. And let me tell you what, I tasted Lily's pork right here. That is so good. She's gonna love that. Wow. So tender. Alright. I will see you back here in 30 minutes. TV time in a blink of an eye. Ha ha! Just steamed off from the chicken cooking, so let's open her up. Y'all, the chicken cooked for 30 minutes, but you can see this is a big fat bird. So she didn't get all the way cooked, so it's no big deal. You just put it on for the setting, which is for chicken. And I'm going to let it go for 15 minutes. I don't care if it falls off the bone. I like it that way. So, here we go again. Steam it up. Let's check and make sure this chicken is cooked completely this time. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Good, good, good. Okay. So now, I'm going to put the carrots in. So let's just go ahead and put those in here. Alright. There we go. Put the lid back on. Turn the little knob around here. And hit cancel. And hit for vegetable setting. Automatically goes to 2 minutes. So 2. And that's all I want to do. Now they're not going to be quite soft. And that's why I'm going to put the onions and the celery in for an additional 2 minutes. Let's check and make sure the carrots are done. Here we go. See, it doesn't go all the way through. They're still kind of tough. I'm going to put my celery and onion in here for 2 more minutes. That way, the celery and onion won't overcook and the carrots will cook some more. And let's put the lid back on it. And turn our little spout around. And hit the cancel button. And hit the vegetables one more time. Okay, I moved the pot over here. And I'm going to fix the asparagus now. I want the bottom of the pan to be covered with olive oil. Okay, that's about enough right there. I'll let this heat up. Let that heat up for just a moment, and then we'll put the asparagus in. It doesn't take long for olive oil to heat up. So let's put in our asparagus. See there? Sizzling. Woo! Alright, let me turn this down to medium. There we go. Okay. Put some salt and pepper on this. Alright. When it gets close to being done, I'll put some Parmesan cheese on it. Yes, y'all have seen me fix asparagus before. Asparagus is really, really good for you. See how easy that cut? Let's see. There we go. Alright, now it's time to put the Parmesan cheese on. Alrighty. There we go. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. And that's it. It's done. Done. Check the pot. Put that over here on my thing. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes. Perfect. Perfect. See? Carrots goes all the way through now. Yep. Goes all the way through. Onion is good and celery is good. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright. Now to serve Mr. Childers. What are you doing?
Are we live? Oh,
we're
okay.
live.
I'm thinking somebody for my food. Well, this looks nice. It's got pretty little vegetables.
Yeah.
That right there.
Asparagus.
This is asparagus. I'll sample it for you. Yeah, real good. Oh, carrots. Oh, yeah. What's this? Celery?
Celery.
Celery here. And this is the chicken. Is this what that fat little chicken you was talking about earlier?
Yeah, that fat little chicken that wouldn't get done.
It's done now. It's good. Okay. Got some onions. I love onion.
Now that's good. So the flavor of the chicken, I put salt, pepper, and turmeric on it.
It's good.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's all good.
Very good. Because I was telling them that that's a really good spice for you. That we even put it in our smoothies.
For me, I'm a pepper nut. So I gotta have pepper on everything.
Hey, pepper's good for you too. It's supposed to be good for your heart.
That's it.
Alright, we're gonna eat.
Y'all enjoy.
Look, he got a second plate. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man, it's good. Fall off the bone chicken here.
Ooh-wee. Today is Lily's 12th birthday.
Ready. Set.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Apparently we are boring her. Happy birthday to you.
It's my nap time. Hurry up.
All right, look. You got a special cookie. You want that cookie? Oh, yeah. You got some toys. Ah. Do they meet your approval? Yes? Okay. You want a bite of that cookie?
Is it too big? Can you get it in the middle? Can you do it in the middle? There you go. Yeah. It's pretty heavy. There you go.
We cannot let her have that whole thing.
Let me just break off a little piece.
There she is. She finally bit into it with them little tiny teeth.
She's teeny tiny.
Is it good? It's good? Yeah? Okay.
Probably ain't as good as her steak sizzler, but...
Well, no. And she had pork chop for supper. And she was delighted with that.
Oh, yeah, from the pork chop we also. Can't have no chicken, though.
No chicken,
No
no eggs, no kind of bird.
She just.
Yeah, you just all kinds of special, huh? Well, happy birthday, Lily.
We see ya.
Happy birthday. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.